I guess we're on. I was just like, you know, kind of like going like this, like getting ready.
That is a video.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be painting the brake calipers, and I came to Mars' house to do this because we haven't been here to do anything yet. Well, at least that you guys have seen anyway. Our times in this garage, like with our motorcycles and stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna be using the method that I had seen in Dustin Williams' video first, which he got it from Throttle. So shout out to you guys for this idea or this method. Some of you might think, oh my gosh, that's lazy, you could just take off the bolts, whatever. That doesn't matter to me. You're not gonna see it, but I did order some rotors and they were supposed to be here already, so I was going to paint the whole thing, and they ended up not getting here, and I was like itching to just do one or the other. So since they're not here, I'm gonna just go ahead and paint the brake calipers now. I don't really care about the inside and it being kind of like halfway. No one's gonna see the inside, no one's really gonna know about that. And if say I get like a little bit of paint or whatever or spray like on the rotors, like I'm gonna change them out anyway, so that doesn't matter. Anyways, with that being said, we're gonna try to jack this up because we don't have like everything we need, and that's a usual thing that we're trying to not really do anymore. We're trying to be more prepared, but whatever.
Hey, we got it.
Yeah, we got it. You know what I mean? That's what you do.
Use your head.
Use what you got, all right? Don't complain. All right, we're gonna get this done. Alright, so now we got the wheels off, and now it's gonna be time for us to cover all this off. We don't want any overspray or any type of spray getting on the paint, so now we're gonna use this method. Boom. Trash bags.
Trash bags.
Black trash bags. Preferably, you know, the elastic, so that way when you put it over the brake caliper, the elasticity will help you to cover the majority of the rotors. So we'll go ahead and mask this off. In fact, I don't want to bore you guys with you know, showing you guys how to mask it off or whatever. I'll just show you how we did it when we get it done. So to show you this really quickly, this is like not like a super like perfect way to mask it off, but basically, you know, this is the general idea. You want to wrap the trash bag around the brake caliper as much as you possibly can. As you can see, it's pretty much covered in here, so I won't get really any spray on here or the paint. Mars kind of started cleaning them already with brake cleaner, and then we just kind of used these brushes right here, steel wool. Yeah, the brake cleaner really works. It doesn't need to be anything certain. I just got the O'Reilly's brand. So, you know, you clean that up with a brake cleaner, scrub it down, and, you know, when you got pretty much all the grime and all the dirt and dust off, spray it down once more, and then you wipe it down, and then what you want to do is you're going to want to wipe it down again with acetone. Yeah, Mars is doing that side. I'm gonna be doing this side. Oh, that was not supposed to happen. I need to fix that. Okay, that's better. All right, so now we're gonna be putting on some primer after you kind of wipe them down, clean them, and you're gonna want to put like a light coat first, and then a couple other coats after that until you cover it. So we're gonna. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like when you primer it. So this is what I used, VHT flameproof primer. It goes up to 2000 degrees, so you know, any heat transfer coming from the rotors or the brakes, you know, nothing's gonna come off, so that'll be good. But this guy forgot to put acetone to make the paint stick a lot better when you're done cleaning the brakes. So on my side, I still haven't cleaned it with acetone yet. So right now, we're going to see.
You don't need acetone.
We're gonna see which side's better, or comes out better. That's what's going down right now. He doesn't think we need acetone.
You just need paint. You don't need no primer, no acetone. Just put fucking paint on it. You're good.
But I believe the acetone is gonna help to stick. So what if they're not Brembos, bro? Okay. Soon to be.
Brembo
Maybe the reps. They're gonna be called Dembos. Dembos. We're kind of like losing daylight here, and we're kind of trying to beat that, but I think we'll be okay. So the next phase is you're gonna want to do a couple more coats, maybe like 2 to 3 coats, depending on how thick you layer it. This one might just need one more because the first one was a little bit thick, so we might do one more coat. And then after you do that, I ended up going with this color, you know, blue. It's not necessarily my favorite color, but I wanted to go with the Lexus blue theme for my accents, and that's basically what this is. So this withstands up to 500. It's a little bit overkill, but at least we don't have to worry about that. And it's engine enamel with ceramic. So I've seen Throttle use this and a couple other people, so let's see how it looks. Last but not least, you're also going to want to use gloss clear engine enamel. So at the end, you're gonna want to give this also a couple coats. So you're gonna want to do two to 3 coats of the primer. Wait for 10 minutes. Then you're gonna want to switch over and start doing your coats of color. Probably, you know, maybe like 3 to 5 coats depending on how you do it. And then you're gonna want to hit it with a couple coats of the gloss clear. So that's basically the process right there, just really quickly. So we're gonna go ahead and start filming the whole thing, and we'll get back with you when we're done. Okay, so I finally got my last layer of primer on. I'm gonna let that sit for a couple minutes. And Mars is already on the blue over here. Ooh. I think that's gonna turn out real nice, honestly, with a couple more coats and the gloss clear. Sheesh! Look, Mars, where's your mask, bro?
The coronavirus took that shit.
That was about to come out lit. Literally. Alright, you guys, so like we said, we're gonna see whose is better, his or mine, at the end. Alright, you guys, so me and Mars are both on the same coats now. That's the 3rd coat. And this is his 3rd coat. I'm thinking we're gonna do maybe one more coat. I think 4 might just do it. What do you think? What do you think, bro?
I think right.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just let
So
it pop out just to
It's looking pretty good.
bit more, you know, give it some more insurance. You know, another coat will give it some good insurance.
Like I know the primer had like given it like a different lighter tone to the color, but I feel like it's gonna make it like pop a little bit more, and we kind of needed that primer. So
yeah, it looks good, dude.
it looks it looks good to me. Oh yeah, with the wheels on,
Fucking
dude.
wheels on,
I can't wait.
picture.
I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like right now with the wheels on. But before I do that, we are gonna add the next coat, and then we're gonna add some gloss clear, a couple coats of that, and then we should be like finished up for like this side at least. We're gonna do the other side. Yeah, we'll probably end up doing the other side, just knocking out all in one go.
You're already fucking here. So
See?
no
All right.
fucking reason why you have to do it a second time.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're gonna finish it up today. It is running a little late, but who cares? Like,
yeah, we're good.
We're good. We're chilling. We're having fun. That's what it's about.
Having some beer.
You know, we'll let you guys know when we finish up with the paint coat, and then we'll hit up with the gloss, and then I'll hit you back. Okay, everybody. So you're probably asking yourselves why, after just watching what you just watched a couple seconds ago on why I'm in different clothes and why the car is in a different position. Well, that is because it's actually the next day. We ran out of time yesterday. I know we said we wanted to tackle it, but it seems like it was too much on our plate to tackle for the time that it was, and for how long we had to wait for the paint to dry. So back at Mario's house the next day, we both had work early in the morning, so we right after work we came right back here. He went to the store to go get some beer, I guess, and I am going to start tackling this. So I kind of want to do something. So how about we do it like this? Yeah, that's a lot better. Look who also showed up.
Hey.
Hell yeah. Alright, so Mars is already hitting up that side. I'm gonna hit this side really quick. I already started. And then we'll speed things up. Alright, so just in case I don't get to show you guys because that sun's going down, I really wanted you guys to see how it looks with the wheel on. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh, when I have the rotors on there, oh my gosh, it's finna pop so much when I have the rotors on there. I'll probably end up putting them on, probably like tomorrow, because I'm kind of itching to put them on. I just got them today, but they turned out really well for how we did it. I'm like super satisfied. Like, they pop, you'll get to see them, and they match the sticker over there.
I think it looks good, dude. It looks pretty sweet.
Yeah, man, we did a good job, bro.
Yeah, just for a little DIY.
Yeah, man. And like I said, I know some people might not like this way because they rather take off the whole brake caliper because of whatever, how many bolts there is on there. But look, I really didn't care to do that. This is just another way for you to try, for people who don't know how to do that or just don't feel like going through that, you know, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna finish up this other side hopefully before the sun goes down. Alright, so made it back home, everyone, and it was running a little late, so I didn't get to record the other side of the car being finished, but I'm glad that I got to show you guys the side that was done, and I really hope that you guys like it. Comment down below if you guys like it, or even if you guys hate it. I enjoy that you guys, or the very few of you guys so far that have been commenting, also as watching. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, thank you for watching, and if you've been watching, I appreciate you as well. I can't express that enough to the people who tell me that they've been watching, so thank you for that. Next video is gonna be the rotors, so make sure you guys are in tune for that. I'm really excited, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it here because I got work early in the morning. With that being said, I'm Desmond Simmons, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.